Hey guys, we're going to look at more examples of how to simplify numerical expressions. Remember, when we do this, we have to follow the rules of PEMDAS. Now all of a sudden my doesn't work. PEMDAS. We remember that the P stands for also brackets. Okay. And exponents, which you guys are going to get into middle school. Multiplication for M. D is division, A is addition, and S is subtraction. So we have to go in the order of PEMDAS when solving numerical expressions. So for example, let's do some here. If we have the equation 10 plus 36 divided by 9, we're following the rules of PEMDAS. Well, do we have any parentheses? No. Do we have any exponents? No. Do we have multiplication? No. But do we have division? Yes. So we do division first. So it's like there's a parenthesis around 36 divided by 9. 36 divided by 9 is 4. So now we're left with 10 plus 4. And 10 plus 4 is 14. And 14 would be your answer. Let's do another. How about if we have 10 plus the quantity 25 minus 10 divided by 5. Okay? So we have to do it in parentheses first. P, parentheses, we have parentheses or brackets. Yes, 25 minus 10 is 15. Okay, and we write the rest of our equation. 10 plus 15 divided by 5. Do we have multiplication? No, but we have division. Yes. So now it's like there's a parenthesis right here. 15 divided by 5 is 3. 10 plus 3 is 13. Okay, so there's a couple of examples for you. Remember, you have to do it in parentheses first, and then keep going, work left to right. When you're left with just multiplication or division, you work left to right. If you have just addition, subtraction, you work left to right. Okay, and then you solve. Let's see. I have a little bit of space here. I guess I could do one more. If you have 10 minus the quantity 2 times 4 plus 12. So do you have parentheses? Yes. You have to do that first. That's 8. So now you're left with 10 minus 8 plus 12. So here's an example of working left to right, and you have just addition, subtraction left. So you start here. 10 minus 8 is 2, and then 2 plus 12 is 14. And there you have it, guys. So you just have to do the order of PEMDAS. If not, you're going to get a lot of different kinds of answers. So good luck, practice, and work out those problems. Take care. Ask questions if you need help. Bye.